This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Wells Fargo is trading lower by more than 3% after missing revenue estimates. Taking a look back, the stock broke out from this cup and handle pattern all the way back in 2018. You can see it right here coming above resistance around the 59.60 level. Got up to an all-time high at 66, failed to break out in 2018, tested it, came down and started this downtrend with lower highs and lower lows all the way down to this big low during, actually it was after the pandemic. Here's the pandemic low, but it took a lower low right here in October to end that downtrend. I think this is like an 11-year low. Now it's in all good news. Almost since that time, the stock went straight up into the 40s, finally climbing back up to the same red line that's been in place since 2015, coming back up to it, and we'll move in just a little bit lower, a little bit closer here to a 1 year. And you can see here's where the failure was. This level is also, coming all the way back here. This is a 786 retracement of this big sell-off wave. That's often where bounces go to die. As you can see, we got a little double top followed by a breakdown into the 200-day moving average, and we've been testing that level since the first week of March. Now this morning we're trading down right now, right about 46.70, so we're right back here near this low, this low, this low, and sort of this line. This is a big deal here, and I don't know how this is really going to hold. This is a, if you can see it, this is a cut. This is a head and shoulders pattern. Now, is really good chance the stock's going to break down because accumulation has dropped to like an 18-month low. So I really won't be betting on the upside here. Taking a look all the way back, let's take a look at the cycles. As you can see, we have a very active monthly sell cycle in progress, and that's certainly what we're seeing since the start of January, the start of the year. Going to a weekly, we also have a sell cycle in progress here because we had a failed bounce. And going back to a daily, well, we also have a sell cycle here that's really going to start extending this morning. So there's just not a lot to love on Wells Fargo, and it could see the upper 30s by May or June.